How to block unwanted company messages on any Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabtina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So these messages are considered as spam messages, and if you want to get rid of them, all you have to do is block and report them as spam. So first go to your messages application. After that, select the select the message that you think is from a company and is a spam message. After that, tap on the more icon, more, and then you will see an option of block and report spam. Since I do not have inserted SIM in this phone, I do not have that option, but if you do, you will also get an option of block and report spam in that account. So simply tap on it and then you will be able to block that number like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.